Alright guys, now I found that the problem was if you take out this connector, the problem was with this thing here. Now this thing was just hanging behind here, behind the wall when I was taking out this whole piece. So now, after checking the previous photos that I took when I was disassembling the engine, I had to go back, look, and I found this thing was actually the one that was connected. So now I brought it back, connected this thing here, and then that hose is getting stuck in here. Now that connector comes back in here for the vacuum. I think there's a sensor in here for the vacuum. So now I'm gonna put everything back, put this big box in, and then once I'm done, I'll see if my idling has been corrected. There's no more rough idling.